As most of you know, I had to bust out this little glass here because I locked my keys into the car last week. And a lot of people were saying how that's the most expensive window and all that, and that might be true. But I replaced this. I found this replacement it's a legit replacement. I got this on Amazon for 45 bucks with shipping, and it's really easy to get out of there. For one, since the glass was already busted, this little rubber gasket just pulled right on out, and I got all that broken glass out of it. Then here on the inside, I had to take the door panel off because there's a screw right here, and then there's a screw right here. You take those two screws out. This little bracket here will lean forward, and it didn't take much pressure to get it because my other glass window off in there, so I didn't want to bend too hard. But anyway, just bent just a little bit forward, just got it off in there and got it seated like it's supposed to, and it popped right on in. It took maybe 5-10 minutes, literally. So I'm just gonna put my 2 screws back in my door panel here, or 3 screws back in my door panel here, and put it back together, and I'm done. So I just wanted to share this video because some people said it was really expensive, and I thought it was gonna be hard to swap out, but it really wasn't. So anyway, y'all have any questions, just comment below. Again, this window was busted out. I just pulled this gasket out, cleaned out the broken glass. This screw right here in the top, take that screw out, then take this screw out, and this little metal bracket here, I'll bend forward just enough so you can pop this back in, and then put it back together. That's it. So again, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Y'all have a good day. And this is the 2006 Toyota Corolla S, if you're wondering. I don't think I mentioned that, but yeah, it's 2006 Corolla S, and that's the rear glass window and the door, the small piece. Y'all have a good day.